We're gonna do a little pull right here. Second gear. Build and drive him. Build him, drive him. Here we go. Are we doing a build them or a drive them? Build and drive them. Build them, drive them. Here we go. Should have put some gas in this thing. Here for some petrol. Innovation that excites. Cool cat. Gary said this is the exact reason why Jeff always brings it to the shop empty. Because he ain't trying to put fuel in here. Because he ain't trying to put fuel in there. Maybe he just doesn't want to buy gas and we just buy gas for him. No drip. Whoa! Entering hyperspace. All right, so you ready to talk about this truck? Yeah, man, this is a 68 GMC and it's on a Eckert's chassis. So all the suspension is all C5 Corvette. Running 14-inch bare brakes, 6-piston calipers all the way around, Bilstein shocks. This thing is just phenomenal. I mean, I'm gonna just jerk this wheel back and forth and you can see it is planted to the ground. 295s in the front, 315s in the rear, US mag wheels. Running a LS6 out of a C5. RPM built as the Trans, which is a 4060 built to 1200 horse, so they say. It's just so much fun to drive. Running Nelson Racing, mirror image, twin turbos, fully polished, 60 millimeters, so getting into boost is no problem. The only problems we really have is red lights. We're gonna do a little pull right here. Second gear. Smack lip. Kind of skated on you a little bit, didn't it? Moving around. Yeah. That's 315s, kind of hooked. So the theme of the truck basically started out as, hey, I just want to build an old truck that looks original. It's a step side. Well, that all changed shortly after the chassis and the motor topic was brought up. Yes, we did keep it a step side because Jeff likes step sides and he is the owner. So, that being said, we put our twist on everything else. Made it awesome. Satin finish interior. It's like a fancy bronze copper color. TMI hooked us up with this interior. I talked to Anthony out there. Super great guy to deal with if you're wanting to order a TMI interior kit. Picked out the stitching, the color, the suede, the inserts. Took about 8 weeks. It was at our door. It was full-blown interior. Brett at H&H hooked us up with the carpet because the motor was set back like 8 inches to basically make this truck handle like a vet. So that was a kind of a game changer when we had to put a throttle pedal in here and make it fit next to a brake pedal and still feel comfortable. So
you said the motor was pushed back 8 inches?
Yeah.
8.
You can see the trans tunnel.
I mean, yeah, you can see it.
It's in my feet area.
It's just 8 inches farther back than factory. That calls for some heavy firewall modifications.
Just a little bit. It's worth it for weight distribution in a race truck. We got some pretty cool dash vents in here we made in-house. It's pretty exciting.
We are rocking the custom in-house made dash vents.
If you're interested in dash vent products, be sure to check out charliescustomcreations.com for more dash vent products. Wow! Alright, back to the truck. Anyways, so the engine bay, all the sheet metal you'll see is all hand formed and TIG welded, bead rolled, Bailey Industrial, rocking on with some awesome products and machines and so forth. So it was a lot of work in the engine bay, which you normally don't see when it's a race truck application, and it turned out really nice, actually. The chassis has all been powder coated by Burrow Tech here in Murfreesboro. Good friend of ours, Jason, does all our chassis, all the blasting, and just does a phenomenal job with making sure that it sticks. We've had problems in the past, doesn't stick. We like it sticking, like our tires on the ground. So, it's just a fun truck to drive. I mean, you're welcome to come by. We'll take it for a spin when Jeff brings it back by.
Whenever it needs gas.
Whenever it needs
Whenever
gas.
it needs gas. Whoa!
Yeah. So, yeah. Shoot us an email. We'll take you for a spin if it's at the shop. Or in something else. No, we don't smoke, so the ashtray and stuff does not work. It does open. There's no cigarette lighter in there. Oh, this is pretty cool. Shifter. Let me know if you can find a shifter in this thing. You can't. It's in here.
It is. Tucked away.
It is electronic from PCS. Power Control Solutions.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That is pretty neat.
The reason we went with a push button shifter, because you knew Jeff, we'd be trying to do wheelies in this thing, banging gears. So we put this in there. Also, the transmission is in the back because it's on a C5 custom chassis. So there's a torque tube and a motor to the rear. So now our weight is very balanced.
Yeah, like it's not on just Corvette suspension. It's on a Corvette chassis.
Yes.
Like we don't just mean Corvette springs.
No.
It's a Corvette with a truck on top.
So you can take on-ramps and exit ramps at 65 plus in a truck. It's pretty awesome. There's a cop in front of us, otherwise I would yeehaw this thing. Wow!
Well, he might be that kind of cop.
We should take him for a ride. Man, I love choo-choo noises. So the inside of the bed is raptor lined. We're a big fan of the raptor liner. It's just a good uniform appearance if you want to haul mulch in a truck. So we put raptor liner in the back. We also use raptor liner in a lot of applications, such as Jeep tubs and underbody coverings and stuff like that. So does great against debris, and rocks, and mulch in the bed of your truck.
Because Jeff is doing mulching with this thing?
Well, he was like, I'm using this truck. And I said, perfect. Well, let's put some wide enough tires on the back so if you get stuck in your yard doing your landscaping, that yeehaw. Wow!
Jeez.
That he can make sure he can get out of his yard. So we do like the raptor liner products. U-Pole, thank you for making such a great product. That's great. U-Pole, I think it's like Russian for awesome.
UPOL.
Products.
Is it really?
Maybe. We're gonna go left right here.
Well, okay.
There's a stop sign, and this thing is not like stop signs. Yeah, the cool thing about the raptor liner you can tint it. So whatever color you want. We tint it to the body color so that it just has a nice uniform appearance. This one is brown, you will see. I appreciate you guys following us, Instagram and Facebook, and subscribing to us on YouTube. Continue to watch us and see some more awesome videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload something. Legitimately check out our website because we do have some pretty cool shirts and offer more than just vents as far as custom automotive products go. We're working with the scanner and large scale 3D printer, so it's about to blow up. Basically, long story short, more cool stuff is coming and you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much. Thank you.